Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of anti-aging foods. We all want to look and feel our best as we age. And what we eat plays a crucial role in that process. So, in today's video, we're going to unveil the top 10 magical anti-aging foods that can help reverse the aging process. Stay tuned to discover how you can maintain that youthful glow naturally. 1. Berries for youthful skin. Our journey begins with one of nature's sweetest gifts, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, reducing skin damage and helping you maintain youthful skin. Incorporate a handful of these colorful gems into your daily diet for a berrylicious boost. 2. Omega-3 rich fish. Next on our list are omega-3 rich fish like salmon and mackerel. These fish are loaded with essential fatty acids that nourish your skin and promote elasticity. Omega-3s also support brain health, which is crucial for keeping you sharp as you age. 3. Leafy greens. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are an absolute must for anti-aging. They're rich in vitamins A and C, which promote collagen production and help keep your skin firm and wrinkle-free. Plus, they're packed with fiber, aiding in digestion and weight management. 4. Nuts and seeds. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are loaded with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrient powerhouses can help protect your skin from the effects of UV radiation and keep it glowing. 5. Avocado magic. Avocado lovers, rejoice! This creamy fruit is an excellent source of monounsaturated fats, which hydrate your skin from the inside out. They're also rich in vitamin E, an antioxidant that can combat skin aging. 6. Bright and colorful veggies. Brightly colored veggies like carrots, red peppers, and sweet potatoes are chock full of beta-carotene, a potent antioxidant that fights off the signs of aging. These veggies are also great for maintaining good vision as you age. 7. Green tea elixir. Swap out your regular cup of coffee for some green tea. It's loaded with catechins, which have powerful antioxidant properties. Sip on this elixir regularly to support cell rejuvenation and maintain a youthful appearance. 8. Lean proteins. Lean proteins like chicken, turkey, and tofu provide your body with the amino acids it needs to build and repair tissues. They're essential for maintaining muscle mass and preventing age-related muscle loss. 9. Red wine and dark chocolate. Time for a treat. In moderation, red wine and dark chocolate can be your allies against aging. Red wine contains resveratrol, which may have anti-aging effects. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants. Cheers to that! 10. Water, the ultimate elixir. Last but not least, don't forget to hydrate. Water is the ultimate elixir for youthful skin. It helps flush toxins out of your body, keeps your skin plump, and reduces the appearance of fine lines. There you have it, folks. The top 10 magical anti-aging foods that can help you reverse the aging process naturally. Remember, a balanced diet, along with regular exercise, and a healthy lifestyle are all crucial for maintaining your youthful vitality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay youthful, stay fabulous, and I'll see you in the next video.